Hello, cosmic explorers. For millennia, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering if we're alone. Are we the only intelligent life in this vast, breathtaking universe? That's the fundamental question driving the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, a quest as ambitious and awe-inspiring as it is challenging. Today, we're going to embark on a journey to explore this fascinating field, delving into its history, its methods, and its profound implications for our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Can you imagine a civilization so advanced, their technology surpasses our wildest dreams? SETI researchers certainly can, and they're actively searching for evidence of such civilizations. But how do you even begin to look for something you don't know exists, in a universe so unimaginably vast? It's a monumental task, a needle in a haystack problem multiplied by the size of the universe itself. Yet, the sheer scale of the challenge hasn't deterred scientists from pursuing this incredibly important endeavor. The history of SETI is a fascinating blend of scientific rigor and audacious imagination. It wasn't always a formally recognized scientific pursuit. The idea of searching for extraterrestrial intelligence took root in the mid-20th century, fueled by the burgeoning fields of radio astronomy and the burgeoning understanding of the vastness of space, thanks to pioneers like Frank Drake. His famous Drake equation, while not a precise calculation, serves as a powerful framework for considering the factors that might influence the prevalence of intelligent life in the galaxy. It prompts us to consider the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, the number of planets capable of supporting life, and so on. Each factor is a stepping stone toward answering that ultimate question: are we alone? One of the earliest and most iconic SETI projects was Project Ozma, initiated by Frank Drake himself in 1960. Using a radio telescope, he listened for signals from two nearby sun-like stars, Tau Ceti and Epsilon Eridani. While he didn't detect any extraterrestrial signals, Project Ozma marked a pivotal moment, demonstrating the feasibility of using radio astronomy to search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It was a pioneering effort that paved the way for future, more sophisticated searches. Over the decades, SETI has evolved dramatically. Early efforts primarily focused on passive listening, using radio telescopes to detect potential signals from other civilizations. But what if these civilizations aren't using radio waves? What if they communicate using methods we haven't even conceived of yet? This realization has led to a diversification of SETI's approach. Now, researchers are exploring a broader range of potential signals, including optical signals, laser pulses, and even searching for signs of advanced civilizations through their impact on their star systems, what's called technosignatures. Consider the possibility of detecting megastructures around distant stars, enormous constructs built by a civilization far beyond our own. The detection of such structures would be an undeniable sign of advanced extraterrestrial technology. These megastructures might be Dyson spheres, hypothetical megastructures designed to harness the energy of a star entirely. The dimming or unusual light patterns of a star could potentially indicate the presence of such a structure. But detecting these faint signals requires incredibly sensitive instruments and sophisticated data analysis techniques. The sheer volume of data involved in SETI is staggering. Radio telescopes collect massive amounts of information, and sifting through it to identify potential extraterrestrial signals requires powerful computers and clever algorithms. Machine learning is playing an increasingly important role in this process, helping researchers to identify patterns and anomalies that might otherwise go unnoticed. But even with the most advanced technology, there's always the possibility of false positives, signals that appear to be extraterrestrial, but are actually caused by terrestrial interference or natural phenomena. Carefully distinguishing real signals from the noise is a major challenge. But what if we actually receive a signal? This is a scenario that has been explored extensively in science fiction, but it also poses significant ethical and societal challenges. How would humanity react to such a discovery? How would we communicate with an extraterrestrial civilization? What are the risks involved in making contact? These are not just hypothetical questions. They are real considerations that SETI researchers and policymakers are grappling with. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is more than just a scientific pursuit. It's a philosophical journey. It forces us to confront our assumptions about our place in the universe, to question our own uniqueness, and to consider the vastness and potential of life beyond Earth. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would be a transformative event, reshaping our understanding of ourselves and our place in the cosmos. It would fundamentally alter our perspective on our own history, our potential future, and our responsibilities as a species. The search for extraterrestrial life isn't just about finding other life forms, it's about understanding ourselves. It pushes the boundaries of science and technology, forcing us to develop innovative techniques and to collaborate on a global scale. It inspires us to explore the universe, to push the limits of human knowledge, and to ask fundamental questions about our existence. Even if we don't find evidence of extraterrestrial life, the search itself is incredibly valuable, pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery and inspiring generations of scientists and dreamers alike. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that countless telescopes are pointed towards the heavens, listening for a whisper from across the cosmos. The quest for extraterrestrial intelligence is an ongoing adventure, a testament to human curiosity and our unwavering desire to understand our place in the universe. It's a journey filled with both profound challenges and immense potential, a journey that continues to capture our imaginations and drive us to explore the wonders of the cosmos. And who knows? Perhaps one day we'll receive that signal, that message from across the stars, changing our world forever. The search continues, and the possibilities are truly limitless. The universe is vast, and the adventure is just beginning. Keep looking up.